Hi, I'm Michael. Welcome to eLEDGER. Now, of course, every business is going to have something to sell, and as with everything else on eLEDGER, recording the details of the sale are very quick and easy. Here's how you do it. First things first, log in, as I've already done here, and I'm looking at my home screen. I can either click on this great big orange button, enter a sale or quote, or I can go up to the order menu at the top there and select new sales order from there. And this is my new sales order. You start with the customer, which it says here, enter your customer details in first. It'll learn all the customers that you enter in so that you can just then select them from a drop down menu. And if everyone that I select from the drop down menu, it automatically updates all their details. I'm just going to reset that and enter into a brand new category, brand new customer details. Now, in terms of the marketing category, it doesn't necessarily have to be about marketing. There are marketing categories here about how did they find out about your business, but you can also just choose to categorize your sales in whatever way you like. There's some age groups here. If you have dance classes that you group your customers according to their age groups or your sales or whatever. However you want to choose to categorize your sales, use this field to do that as quickly and easily as typing in a brand new category. That's it. That's going to create a new category called some new category, like that. Similarly, if this is a brand new customer, instead of selecting Fred Nurk or Bob Jones or whoever from this menu, I can just type in their name and their phone number is going to be a 13 number. And that's it. I don't have to put in any more details about the customer if I don't want to. Maybe I do want to. Maybe I want to put in all these details. And they've got a shipping address and they've got a PO box. So I can uncheck this box and type in their PO box over here. But right now, I don't care about that stuff. Moving on from the customer is the actual sale itself. To start with, when's it going to dispatch to your customer? Is it going to dispatch today? Are they standing right in front of you right now? Is this a retrospective order that you put in for a sale that you made last month? Or is it a quote that you're doing for someone at the end of the year? The default is today. And what is it that you're selling? You can add labor. If you're charging by the hour, you can put in an hourly rate, $30 an hour for say 2 hours. I'm not going to bother with labor today. Do you sell stock that you have sitting on a shelf that you order in from a supplier? In which case, you can select anything that's already in your store and it will automatically put in all the price information or put in some brand new thing, which I've just completely made up, but maybe I'm going to order something called new stock item as soon as I'm done with this sale. And I'm going to sell them at 50 cents each. Including GST, and I'm going to sell 100 of those, 101, which brings my order up to $50 so far. And then maybe I want to sell a service, in which case I select intangible, and again I can select it from whatever services I've already got going here. Maybe I'm including an extended warranty. I'm also going to put in a surcharge for delivery. I can put in a personal message to my customer. Say I'm going to put in foods, I think that's $3 surcharge for delivery, which is pretty cheap delivery charge, I think, all things considered. Now, when I selected surcharge for delivery, this little production note popped up, 5 kilometer radius only. And that's a little note to myself. Basically, any product that you make yourself, include little production notes in here. Okay, so I'm done here with the order itself. The money's automatically been calculated for me. Have I already received payment for this order? Has it been fully paid up front? Has it only been partially paid or not paid at all? I can still create an invoice for this even though it hasn't been paid at all. So now I'm going to click on OK. And there's the invoice. It's saying, new invoice created. Brilliant. It's going into this dummy company NAB account, which is not a real account. Now I can just download this for my own records, or if I happen to be standing right in front of them, They can give me their email address, and I can email that off to them right now, and I can send a copy to myself so I know what it looks like, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is look at my sales order that I've just put into the system. There's my different items, and as you can see there's 103 unpaid at this point, outstanding. There's a little note that went on to my invoice, and if I want I can actually delete that invoice. Say that was, I didn't want it to go into the NAB account, I wanted it to go into the Bank of Mum and Dad account. A new invoice, selecting Bank of Mum and Dad, and now it's put that bank account details on the bottom there instead. Say my customer has decided, yeah, I'm happy with that, and you've asked them for a 10% deposit. I click on partly paid, the amount paid, and create a brand new invoice for that. There's the brand new invoice. Thanks for your $10 payment. Now there's only $93 outstanding, and I can actually look at that payment, the $10 payment there. There it is, sale of goods. It's automatically created the payment details for me. If I go back to my order now, not only is there 2 invoices I can look at, but there's also a payment against that, which we were just looking at. That's all there is to it. If I want, I can now, if that order is now fully paid, I just click on fully paid, bang, there's the rest of the payment. There's the outstanding $93 done, taken care of. Because this is not the first payment on there, there's an other payments button. There's the other payment against that order, the $10. Either way, they're both tied to the same order, which I can view using that button. And I can also create a brand new invoice for that $93, which I can include in my delivery by downloading and then putting out. Download, print, done, chuck it in with the 100 new stock items, you're good to go. That's it, quick and easy. Thanks very much for your time. Keep up the good work.